Hello, it's Mark from Two Dog RC. Had some people asking about our cases that we got in. They're black here for our HS1177 cameras and how to fix them. So basically, you get a package with the back and then two fronts. One's a 1-hole, one's a 2-hole. You get the little bracket, which will fit either one of those, and then this mount. So you can mount it, and this loops around the lens. Screws, extra screws, and an extra little lens lock. So basically the question was, does the HS1177 board fit in the new board? So here's my busted HS1177. This happens a lot on these because it's plastic, and especially right there, the screw breaks. So here's the stock back plate. So the first thing you want to do when you're taking it apart is see, this is a bottom mount, or where the connector is. So just remember that. So we're going to unscrew this and take the top off like that, and then pull out your board. It's really dirty, as you can see. Then take the case. I'm going to put this, I have all mine with these kind of cases, so I'm going to use this one, but you could use this 2-hole case just as well. So take this, now remember, this is the bottom, so line it up perpendicular to those with the 2 holes. And then it's going to kind of snap in. There you go. Okay. Now this back is a little bit different than the stock back. It's got a little edge to it, and this one really it's thinner. So it's not exactly the same. So you can't really put this one back on. So you take this and you put it right back on. Now, and it just snaps in there. You're going to see here, you know, it's got a little gap there and more words. But don't worry about it, because this still is the same wiring pattern. If you can see here, you got VCC, ground, video, audio, but really it's VCC, ground, video, and OSD. So just that's the only change, but for your wiring harness, there's no difference. And then take your screws. You would just screw them in, but I want to put these in because some people say that it didn't work for them, and I want to show that it does. Sometimes, there we go. You might put a little piece of 3M tape in here, so there's a little cushion between the board and the back plate. That might help if you get any kind of video, like some vibrations or something. Someone told me to do that on my monster cameras. I believe it was Ollie from South Carolina, and it helps. I don't get any vibration in that CMOS camera. So there you go. So now my screws are in. Now you're going to take your lens out from this from your old camera. Just unscrew it. Be careful not to get this dirty. And put this on here. Now this one, it gets really all the way down. Ta-da! All right, now I'm going to test it. So turn on my little monitor, which you can buy at twodogrc.com. And then I'm going to connect the little servo wire. Again, VCC, ground, so red's on the far outside. Plug that in. Nice and good there. And okay, I got this hooked up to a little video transmitter here.
Are you recording?
And then I'm going to put this on my battery. Here's my battery. And there we go, we got a picture. Focus your lens. Excuse me. And you can see it worked. Now I'm going to unplug this, kind of show you what I was talking about the 3M tape. So you cut a piece to fit right in here. So we'll just start, estimate a piece about, I'm really good at cutting first and measuring last. Okay. So I got this little square, and then I'm going to stick it so it doesn't cover up any of the screw holes. There we go. So what that's going to do is add a little bit of padding for the camera on the back of the board. So it's being held in by not just the 2 pressure plates on here, but it's actually being held in also by the foam and the board itself. So it's just putting pressure on the camera in a different spot. So there you go. That actually feels a lot better. Screw it down. See, that's going to pop up the board in this corner when you screw the other corner down. We'll screw this one down. Again, these are available at twodogrc.com. They're $3 for 2 cases and the screws. Yeah, I like that better. That fits really solid. Get our cable. Might as well test it before we put it on a ship, right? Plug it in. Okay. It's a case. It was a little loose there, but I think it's okay. Just the screws aren't tight. But there we go. It's on. We'll turn that on, and we'll power it up. And again, there's your camera. So that's all you got to do. Go to twodogrc.com and get them.